Hi everybody, welcome to English Dizzy Lessons, and this is N. Sanjeev SA English, ZPHS Ambaripet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal District. Creative writing, we are going to learn how to write invitation. It is a minor discourse. So when do we send invitations? When we celebrate any function or we conduct any program in some institution or schools, colleges, inaugurations of shops or any other thing, conferences to attend and we send invitations to our relatives, friends, officials or any other guests. And these invitations, sometimes they should be written in an official way, some are personal, some are family, some are from institutions. So as per the need, as per the context, as per the program, we have to design invitation. And here, after watching this video, I hope you will be able to write a good invitation on your own. Then how to write? Let us see. What should we concentrate on when we write an invitation? What are the things to be in our mind when we write an invitation? Invitation should be written in a box. Just like we have written notice in a box, it is also should be written in a box. And use formal language. But nowadays, even in invitations also, some people are using informal language. And in that invitation, you can draw an appropriate picture, but it is not mandatory. But to make it attractive, we can draw a suitable picture in the invitation. And in that invitation, we should give details such as date, time, place, guest, any person are attending, chief guest, that information. And remember one thing, we have freedom in designing the invitation. But these things should be observed. These things should be observed. When we write an invitation, we should concentrate on some important things. Let us see them. Read the question carefully and properly. If you read the question properly, you can understand it so that you can write the invitation very well. And it will be easy to you to write that invitation if you understand the question. If you want, you can read that question 3 or 4 times. Then find out the occasion for the invitation and also the details, just like place, date. If they are given in the question, you have to write those details. If those details such as date, place, all those things, if they are not given in the question, you can write some details which are suitable to that situation, to that occasion. We can write. And remember, here the language is important and the things included in the invitation are important. And before writing that, if you want, you can do some rough work that will helpful to you to correct your any simple mistakes when you write neatly later. Make changes to the rough work and write the final version of your answer. Have a look at the picture here. Here, this is a simple very simple invitation. Almost we may write like this. Very simple language. Everything is easy. Let me ask you some questions. What is the program? After going through this invitation, can you say the program? Yes, you are right. This is annual day function, annual day program of a school. Let us see another question. Who are inviting? Go through the invitation carefully and try to answer this. Who are inviting? You are right here. The management, staff and student of that particular school, they are inviting. When will be the annual function, annual day function? That means date or day or time, that details. Do they give them? Yes, here you can see that. Date, time. Do they give details of the venue? That means place. Where do they celebrate that? Where do they conduct that? Yes, you are right. The National Auditorium. Do you see any other information? Here you can see the chief guest. And also here some instructions to the people who are attending that program. Some instructions. So these are extra. You need not worry about this. So just concentrate on writing a simple invitation. See two more invitations here. It looks very nice. There are many pictures, but in the previous invitation you cannot see many pictures. That is very simple. Remember once again, pictures are not compulsory in the invitation. If you can, you put them in the invitation, otherwise you need not. But as it is related to children, they introduced many pictures, simple pictures. And here you see that Beacon House School System Primary Branch opening of a school. Here you can say open day or opening of that particular school. And here they have given the details, time, venue, date, all those things. And here any other programs on that particular day after inaugurating that school, what are the programs planned? Here they have given, and also here. And you can see some other details also here. To make that suitable and attractive, they have used these pictures, and also they have provided their logo also. Here you can see for details click, and they have given website address also in that. And you can see here, you are cordially invited to our. This is an honorary sentence, giving respect. We are heartfully inviting them. Here you not worry. You can write which sentence easy to you. You can write that. We will see them in the coming slides. The easy sentences to write that. Here go through the another invitation. Very simple. You can see that with this symbol we can find out that this is also an invitation related to inauguration or opening. Let us see. Healine Wellness Center. Some kind of hospital, health related center, that is opening. You can see grand opening. Here they have used only invite you to. Very simple, very simple. Later, here the date, time, day also they have provided in this invitation. Next you can see the address of that particular center, you can use the symbol related to place. They have provided the address, that means venue. And here they have used some other words to invite us. Here, go through these. Another invitation, very attractive. I think you like it. It is related to, when we see this picture, that is related to some plants and trees. Here you cannot see that someone is inviting, but it seems just like a poster also. But they are going to celebrate some plantation drive. They are conducting plantation drive. To that they are inviting. They have given what is the program and what is the occasion and what is the program on 4th and 5th. They have given that, and even they have written their contact details. And here how the trees are useful to us, they have given some kind of message also. Here they have used their logos. It seems very attractive. Here is another invitation, eGuru IT Solutions. Here they have used courtesy sentences and it looks very nice. And here let us see some points to remember. What should we remember when we write an invitation? Let us see them. Design the invitation in a creative way. You think creatively, then you will get a good invitation. You have seen different types of invitations. Pictures are not compulsory. Again, if you think that picture is needed and you can draw that, you draw that in that invitation. Otherwise, you need not. That's not a problem. Prepare simple and clear invitation. Don't go for many designs all over the invitations. It should be precise, simple, and clear to understand it, to read it, to go through the invitation. And give the details such as date, time, venue, guest, or what is the program, or what are the cultural programs if they are. Such details you have to provide in the invitation if they are needed. Sometimes you can give the contact details. If that is a bigger program, then they go through the website or phone or something, they will know more details. Try to make it attractive. Just you try, not compulsory. And don't forget that you have freedom in designing the invitation. Let us see some model invitations. I am giving you 3 model invitations. One is on World Environment Day, other is Republic Day, the third one is English Fest celebrations. Let us see them. You can see that is different. Programs are here and time or date are given here and venue was given here itself, our school. But in this next one, that is here separately. And here one sentence was added, we look forward to your presence. You can write this to any invitation. Here is another invitation, English Fest, and here venue, date, time, all those things were given here. And here the program on that particular day, they were given here. And here, who are inviting, you see, family of JDPHS Sambaripet. Different way of expressing the names or people of who are inviting. So after watching this, hope you understood it very well. Now you can write a good invitation on your own, and if you understand it well, like the video and share it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.